AI is going to change the game of website designing for forever. For the first time ever in this entire lifetime, you have the opportunity to become the world class designer on earth using high levels AI studio. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how I transformed a normal, ugly, very poorly done website without professional, outreach. I'm going to show you how I converted it into a premium, world class, classic, detail oriented, animated, and conversion oriented premium project website. This is outstanding, this is out of the world, and when I showed it to my client, he was blown away. And so will you be, because I will show you how I created this entire website with my prompt and with the support of the community already launched for high level AI studio specialist. Let's understand and deep dive into what exactly I did, so that not only the designers, the developers, but anybody who's using high levels AI studio can use and create premium website like these worth thousands of dollars. And I am not kidding, it's actually world class. So without a further ado, let's get inside and let me show it to you how I created this entire premium website with this old stuff for free. All right, so in this video, let's see as to what exactly was the requirement. So I had somebody who reached out to me and showed me ugly, simple, very poorly done website that his client had for years. And guess what? He was looking to get a premium website done, of course, with AI integration, AI chatbot, voice calling, all of that what's always required at the back end in order for you to sell a high ticket premium program for your white label, high level SaaS, right? However, the first thing is, of course, the website. It's a front end offer that you need to create in order to get a foot in the door technique, so that you can show it to people that, hey, this is not just the front end which look absolutely stunning, but you also get AI chatbots, voice calling, automation, lead generation, nurturing, pipeline, CRM, everything that is completely added inside this particular one-time setup and a monthly subscription. This is the deal that you need to throw to the businesses around you in order for them to come to reach out to you, and so you can get them over a one-time payment and a monthly recurring fee. So this is virtuous construction, right? So this is the premium, sorry, not a premium actually, because it's a very simple, poorly done with these kind of edges where we don't want them. The spacing is not right. They don't even have some any kind of hover effects. They don't even have some arrows. I have to literally scroll here, right? Simple, just pointers, looks very bad. In 2026, if you have the support of AI, if you have the support of me, and you have the support of this community that I have built for people like you to learn, improve, understand high level AI studio, and if you're still creating these websites, guys, you're doing it wrong. You need my help. I'm not kidding. Right? So these kind of poor quality project that you see on the internet does not work. What you need instead is, you need a premium quality website, and you need to do it with AI Studio. And you don't need a waiting time or development time of weeks and months. You can do it literally in days. I was able to build this premium website, premium version of this website in just 3 hours. I won't deny it doesn't happen over a prompt, even though I have developed a prompt in order for you to create premium website. But guess what? This is still going to be some efforts done in order to do the minute detailing modifications, right? So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to show you the before, the after of what a premium quality website looks like. This is what you see on your website, right? Look at this. This is very well designed, very well styled. It has beautiful effects here. Not just that, it has premium hover effects that looks absolutely stunning. Let me quickly reload this so that you can see the animation that goes behind it, right? So very clean structure. By the way, you need to have the knowledge of what you're creating, because if you give basic details, basic input, and very very simple logic to AI, it's going to magnify that and give you a worst output. That's not what you're looking for. You're looking for to have the mindset of a designer, of a developer who have used high level for over 5 years, like me, so that you can create something like this with my help. By the way, I'm going to give it to you for absolutely free. Look at it. Premium conversion oriented, right? We have the name here, we have the main headline, we have the sub headline, we have the main CTA, the sideways CTA, primary CTA, secondary CTA, and these are animated. They look stunning, guys. Look at this kind of scroll animation. This is done with AI Studio, right? Just look at it. simple, neat, clean, professional. Just look at the kind of effect it has when we scroll down the entire page. This is what you are looking for. When you say, think about it. If you just try to sell this website which you created, nobody's going to pay attention. But if you build this website which you created and it looks like this, guess what? People will pay you their money. It is inevitable. You are creating website that others and others agencies charge $5 to $10,000 for, and I'm not kidding. I've been in this business for the last 5 years, generated more than $300,000 of profit for myself and over $4 million of revenue for my clients. I know the market. I've been in the trenches and I've seen that if somebody has to produce this quality work, they'll charge so much money. You don't need to. You need to offer them a foot in the door technique by charging $1,000 to $2,000 for project like these, and then adding automations and everything with a monthly retainer of $297. Because when you have 100 clients of $297 a month, you are going to make a lot of money recurring every single month without you have to actively working and looking for clients. This is the era of web design with AI, and guess what? The barrier is so low that anybody can become a premium web designer, including you, with my help, because I've been in the trenches. And just look at it. When I click on this, it comes up. When I click on this, it comes up. When I click on this one, it comes up as well. This is the level of detailing we are looking for. Just look at it, right? Any construction company will pay thousands of dollars for a project like these. And this is what I did with my prompt here with the AI Studio. You need to tell me and comment prompt. You need to comment prompt in order to get access to this particular file. I'm not kidding. I'm not just to give you the link. I'm only going to give it to those people who are genuinely interested. Comment prompt and get access to this particular prompt. All right. Now let me show you the other pages which I created. The About Us page, absolutely mind blowing. Really love what is produced. It is absolutely stunning. Click on services, and here you go. The premium services, awesome, great, amazing, world class. And this is AI generated. If you don't believe me, look at this particular picture. You know there are JCBs named Cat, but nobody has a name like this, right? This is a issue with AI, and it's fine. This gives that okay, this is AI generated, but how good AI could be. With the help of Pritam and his community and his prompt and his resources, anybody can now become a premium high level AI studio website designer. Join the community right now. The link will be in the description box. This is where I'm going to give it to you for free. You can claim your access now for free. You can request an access, and I'm only going to approve it for those if they are under 500 members in the community. If it's more, I'm going to add a pricing plan to the community. Every single month you have to pay for it, but for now, if you get the access, it's yours for life, for free. You heard it right. I bear all the cost, and you get every resource for free, zero cost for you, right? So you get free high level business training, you get premium snapshot, you get client acquisition strategies, post and weekly group calls. And let me show it to you at what we are doing, right? We are adding posts like these where I'm giving away templates for absolutely free, and once it's ready, I'm planning to give it away for free at zero cost. And look at this particular uh these kind of projects that I'm doing, right? Look at these kind of value posts where I actually show people stop selling features, sell revenue leaks, and I actually show them what the mistake that they are doing and how they can improve it with my these kind of posts. These are well thought, well created, well structured, real posts that I'm doing, and not just some kind of AI slop. Please try to understand that. It's super important, right? This kind of coming soon strategy posted, this kind of roadmap. If somebody's asking questions, we're helping them. We're helping with these kind of sessions, helping them understand exactly what they are going to get for absolutely free. Not just that, I'm also doing sessions, by the way. So if you go to Classroom, you already have my courses live. You also have my Q&A recordings, which are also available, which people can go through, learn, and understand. We're doing these kind of sessions every single day for free inside my free community. This is what you are missing, ladies and gentlemen, because look at these kind of projects, these kind of pages. I mean, they are absolutely stunning. Let's go to the contact page and let me show it to you, right? This website is at least 10 times better than the website that my client previously had. And let me tell you one thing, this is 100% mobile and tablet optimized. Let me quickly show you the mobile version here. This is what you see in the mobile version. One of the most neatest, cleanest, premium website that you could ever build inside AI Studio is built by me. Just look at it. Look at the navigation bar. Stunning, premium. I mean, just by the click of it, I can sense the quality that this project has done. Like I have built this inside AI Studio within 3 hours. It's going to probably take you more, but that's fine. Even if you can create these kind of websites in a day, that's probably one of the best thing possible on the internet and the biggest blessing by AI and the high levels AI Studio. This is what you could create with AI, ladies and gentlemen. Let me quickly show you the other pages here. Let's go to the about page and just look at it. Premium, isn't it? If you just say if it's not premium, I'm going to beat you guys. This is good quality. I mean, just look at it. This is amazing, guys. There is no second question about it. This is probably one of the best pages and websites I've ever built for an existing website. Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. It's perfect. It's clean. It's detailed. It's highly oriented. It's what I love doing. It's what I'm good at. It's what I'm a master at. And I'm going to teach all of that for you. And of course, if you're joining high level with my link, you're going to get amazing access. Let me show you something that you cannot deny of. High level is now giving 50% off for its charges. So don't miss this, guys. High level summer deal is like 50% off for 3 months. High level has brought back one of its best offers of the years. The starter plan, and let me show it to you guys, right? The starter plan, which was earlier $97, is available for 48 and 50. And by the way, it's only available for 1 day and 14 hours more, right? The unlimited plan of 297 is now available for $148. The 497 plan pro plan is now available for $248. Now, guess what? If you are going to subscribe now, you're also going to get free AI usage for the next 90 days, which is amazing. And honestly, you're going to get bonuses for $11,674 and premium community access, one-on-one onboarding, weekly mentorship, high-level mastery courses and trainings, 20 plus niche resources, 50 plus AI funnels on website, client acquisition strategies, and high-level AI business growth guidance. It's just not a bonus page. It's a complete support ecosystem built to help you understand high level and implement faster. And guess what? If you want to upgrade, if you're already on a current plan, you can upgrade here on the starter plan and get access. If you're already on the SaaS plan, you on 297 plan, you can upgrade here for the 497 plan. This deal ends on June 7th, 11:59 p.m. PDT. Right? Get this through this link and get access. Many have joined, and guess what? If you are already at a plan where you do not want to upgrade, you can get the access to my premium community for all the resources I mentioned at only $497. And this is not a monthly plan. This is not a 6 months plan. This is not a yearly plan. This is a one-time, lifetime deal. I'm not kidding. Of course, I'm going to change it because it's not sustainable, but I want to encourage people to join this community at a minimum cost possible for a lifetime. And then I'm going to upgrade this price probably on a 6 month on or a yearly plan. So if you're interested, comment below, sign up through my link, and join my premium community, my free community. And if you upgrade, I'll get access to you for the premium community. Comment, comment prompt if you want the prompt guide, and I'm going to give you all the resources in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video with another amazing AI Studio website. So make sure you click on the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is going to be the gold mine of AI Studio websites. I'll see you soon.
I want to give a little shout out to Pretam and his team. They designed a funnel for us, did an excellent job. We found Pretam on Facebook. I saw a lot of the stuff he posts in the Go High Level group there, and really nice, just quality stuff. And so we figured we'd give him a shot, let him work on our stuff, and he did a great job. Excellent. He really knows the flow of a funnel, and he knows a little bit about sales, and you can tell he integrates sales and stuff into the funnel flow, and it looks great. We've already been getting sales off of the one he made for us. We've done paid him to do another group of funnels for us, and once he completes this one, we're planning on having him redesign our website and even another funnel along with that. So I highly recommend Pretam. Great communication when it comes to any needs, or there's a couple times we reached out to him just explaining that our niche is, the wording for our niche is a little different, and he would gladly try and change things to be better, communication wise with our niche. And so he's worked with us really well, great communication, and I highly recommend him. If anybody has any questions about Pretam and would like to reach out, we'd be glad to answer them. So thank you, Pretam. Appreciate all y'all are doing.
What's up, guys? My name's David Kyle, owner of Fit for Lead Gen and Lead Deck, and we got Pritam in to be able to redesign our sales pages. So we had somebody write the copy for us. We had an old landing page that I'd put together, or an old sales page that I'd put together. I put the copy on it, and it was doing okay, but I wanted to really change things up to really ramp everything up. So we got somebody to go and do the copy. They gave us a big document of all the copy, and there was no layout or nothing. So I got Pritam in. I gave him the copy and I said, just go for it, design and create what you will. So if I just shrink myself down here, let's go to, this was the old one that I'd put together, super basic, nothing real specific about it. I just kind of listed everything. So with that new copy I gave him, he was able to generate a completely brand new layout using some of the old stuff from the old sales page. So he's gone away and he's created this masterpiece so far. So all the copy is from somebody else, but the layout itself was from Pritam. So he's gone in, added some of these graphics in, made sure everything's perfectly aligned. Again, added some of the old images and stuff in, and it looks perfect. It's clean, it's tidy, it works perfect on mobile, because again, once he's built it, he then makes sure that it works perfectly on mobile. He's gone through everything. He's been there chasing me up on me getting the content ready for him, or me getting the images and stuff that he needed so he could get this job done. But yeah, it's clean, it's slick, it works absolutely perfect, and we're really happy for the work that's been done. And then to top it off as well, we've already got in the pipeline the next sales page that we need to get done. We've got the copy ready. We're just waiting for next week basically to pull the trigger so we can start doing that next job. So yeah, would I use Pritam again? Definitely.
Hey, this is Dean Hall with Renegade Media, and I want to give a great big shout out to PB Digital and Prebuilt for developing an awesome landing page and funnel for our business. I've been really looking at a vendor who might be able to really take our business to the next level, and Pritam has totally knocked it out of the park. So if you haven't had the opportunity to work with him yet, I highly encourage you to reach out to him. You can find him in pretty much all the marketing channels like ClickFunnels or GoHighLevel, and just reach out to him and have him put together a plan to develop either your landing page or your sales funnel. And I promise you that Pritam and PB Digital is going to knock it out of the park. So I can't say any more about his quality of work. And on top of that, he gets back to you really quickly. He comes up with a really solid plan. And I'm just totally in awe with the look and feel of our new funnel that he recently collected. So again, my name is Dean with Renegade Media. Great big shout out to Pittman and his team. I really appreciate all the work you have done for us. Thanks again. Have a great day.
Hey, wait, are you somebody who wants to learn high level from scratch? Whether you are starting with high level and have no clue as to how you want to use this platform in order to grow your business, or somebody who's already been using high level for a while but is looking for mentorship, training, and coaching surrounded by community members which can help you grow, then High Level Lab is the perfect solution for your business. This is a private community designed by me based on my 5 years of experience with high level and 7 years of combined experience into the marketing space. However, the High Level Lab is free only for now. As you can see, after 500 members, I'm going to make this community paid. This is a one-stop solution for you to get everything that you are looking for as a beginner, as well as somebody who's already started using high level. Whether you're looking for free training, client acquisition strategies, automation workflow tutorials, or premium snapshot which you can import in your high level account in order to grow, this is the exact solution and exact community. I will have the link in the description box as well as in the comment section. Make sure you click on it and get access to the high level lab community.